Hello everyone, welcome back. To recap, we are doing this programming project from Revel, and it says to write a program that displays the result of that expression, and the program's or class name is to be called this. And I have brought up my development environment. I'm using Eclipse, but again, IntelliJ is just fine. And I have used the code from the starter file that's in the Blackboard item. And here's my exercise 1.5. One word of Java. This file name and this class name must match exactly, including case. So if you told your IDE, create a class file for me called Sophie, and then you typed in Sally down here for the class name, things are not going to work right. But we can see that there is no ugly red stuff around here. My program is compiling just fine. So let's run this thing and see what happens. I'm going to run it as a Java application. And I get an answer here. And you know, that kind of looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go with this. I'm going to just copy this. And here I have the URL that I asked you to go to. It's frequently asked questions. And if I go down, I see this hotspot to check exercises. So I'm going to click on that. And this is exercise 1.5. So I'm going to make sure I'm in chapter 1 here. And I'm going to go down and set this to be exercise 1.5. And set the exercise button, and I can just paste my code right here. Oops, what did I do? Well, it looks like it came out okay. So now I want to compile and run my code. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. And okay, it's not happy. It's saying that it should be declared in file name exercise 1.5. That's fine. But what it's complaining about is this exercise 1.5 is not exactly like that exercise 1.5. In fact, this is capital E exercise 01_05. So that's my error there. And I can just fix this right here. Well, not in the error message. I can fix it up here in the editor screen. And I need a 0 here. Oh. Will Control Z work, I wonder? Yes. So capital E, and I want to put in a 0 here, and I want to put in a 0 here. And now I'm going to see if I can compile and run again. And the compile was successful, and it ran, and I got the same result as I did back in my Eclipse project. So that's good. So now I want you to stop this tape again, and I want you to start clicking the automatic check and see what happens. Try to understand the error and try to fix this code that I've given you, which I did warn you was bad. And we'll come back in a couple of minutes and fix things up and get our points out of Revel. See you in a moment.